In this project, we use the following components: USB cable, LDR sensor, Arduino Nano, breadboard, buzzer, jumper wires, and LED. These components help us create a light-based smart wake-up system. Now we start building the circuit. Connect LED positive terminal to D8 and negative to GND. Now connect buzzer positive terminal to D9 and negative terminal to GND. Now make a combined circuit for GND to negative pin. Now connect the LDR sensor. Connect VCC to 5V, GND to GND, and A0 to A0. This creates a voltage divider circuit for light detection. Now, open M-block and create the logic. Read light intensity from LDR sensor. If sunlight is detected, turn on LED and buzzer. If it is not detected, then LED keeps and buzzer off. Now connect the Arduino to the computer using USB cable. Select Arduino Uno board. Select Arduino Uno board. Select correct COM. Connect and then upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, your project is ready. Now the system is ready. When morning light falls on the LDR, Arduino detects increased light intensity. LED turns on, buzzer starts ringing. When it becomes dark again, LED and buzzer turns off automatically. This project is used in smart wake-up systems, automatic morning alarms, smart home automation, light-based automation projects. It is a simple and beginner-friendly project for learning sensor automation using Arduino. Thank you and happy learning.